Hello there, fairbinaryoptions.com here, and this is the euro and the US dollar. Like the name suggests, looking at a contracting triangle here. Now this is not a regular contracting triangle, but it looks like, attention, a possible running variation of a contracting triangle, and this calls for moves, for, let's say, for new highs to come. So I don't think that the yearly highs in the 137.10 are going to hold, not necessarily to be broken today. And I'm looking for a new leg to the downside, or a leg to the downside. A leg to the downside might be formed out of the following situations. First of all, a running variation of a contracting triangle travels like this. It might, from these lows here like this, and from these highs here like this. And the reason why we are looking for a running variation of such a triangle is the fact that the B wave to the upside is the bigger wave. So the B wave is bigger than wave A. Because the B wave is bigger than A, so we don't know if this one is going to go higher, but it implies, let me write here the labeling so that you know. So this is wave A, and the B wave all of a sudden to the upside here. Then the C wave to the downside, most likely done here. And now we are looking for a D wave. D wave should be bigger than the B wave. This is the condition for running variation of such a triangle. And B wave should be bigger than wave A. Well, definitely B is bigger than A, as you can see here. D is bigger than B. And what to look for now, attention, not looking to the upside anymore, but I would like to buy puts. I know that price in the Friday evening, pushing through the highs, targeting the yearly highs 137.10. They may fall. I'm not saying, but I'm looking for buying puts with expiration date to be 1 week or end of month. Actually, we are in the 18th, so basically 1 week expiration date would be into next week. So either you decide to trade this one today or wait for Monday, and in Monday at the opening I would like to buy puts for end of week expiration. If you decide to trade it today, then buy puts for end of month, because this triangle needs another leg lower, and this leg lower should come something like this, an E wave. So I would say that 35.50 most likely to be retested. You might say, okay, it's only 100 pips. Well, 100 pips is 100 pips, so we need to consider it, to take it into consideration. So a running variation of a contracting triangle implies, again, the B wave here to be bigger than wave A. It is. D wave to be bigger than the B wave. It is. And now looking for a move to the downside before exploding higher. Now the move to the downside may or may not come, I don't know, today. So this is not a short-term trade, but in the end it should propel towards the 138, and this would be our final target. However, for the moves to come and what to take now into consideration for our analysis, we are buying puts. I'm buying puts right here, right now, 36.90, because this triangle is not done. You might say, okay, but price broke higher, so you might say, how come such a triangle is not done? Because normally this triangle should break, this triangle is broken, so it should be A, B, C, D, E of a lower degree. Wrong. You might say this is a flat. Wrong. In order for this to be a flat A, B, C, the C wave here, okay, the C wave here needed to be a 5-wave structure, either an impulsive move or an ending diagonal. It is neither of those. So what to look for is a corrective move to the downside to come to complete the triangle. The triangle is incomplete. So buying puts, this is the beauty of binary options, because what you invest is the whole investment, and your account is not going to be dragged down if price goes against you. But I'm buying puts based on this with 1 week expiration date. So depending on your broker, or end of month expiration date, because I'm looking for lower values to come after this traveling, let's say, into the 137. It remains to be seen. Thank you very much for being here. It depends very much on the broker you are trading with. I'm trading with lionknife.com, and lionknife.com allows me to already play and trade the binary options with end of month expiration. So I have options with the 31st of October, and I'm going to use that opportunity. Again, thank you for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and these analyses are possible due to our general sponsor here, Lionknife.